Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Come on, one hour upon guys. I'm here with another rating video. I'm here to rate my favorite Jamaican YouTuber. Yes, so let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so yeah, rating my favorite YouTuber. Let's start from the first one. Anybody that knows she or nobody that, in terms of beauty video, watch Sue in order to do them, yeah. Sue video them teach me to do this. I rate Sue, to be honest with you, I rate Sue 9.5. In terms of Sue content, 9.5. These days though, my only issue with Sue is she started using a mic, right? And the mic kind of come off too loud, but I don't know, no problem in terms of content. Sue teach me to do enough makeup. I'm not gonna lie to you, no. Sue teach me to do whole heap of makeup. So Sue deserve the 9.5. In terms of Sue body now, I want to lose the weight. Most people have Sue every day in my yard. They teach me for the personal makeup. No, personal exercise. What am I talking about? Personal makeup and personal exercise. Sue body, they pa A1. Sue get a solid 10. Me not lie. Me give Sue the 10. Me not lie yo. Sue neat bad. Giving Petite-Sue the 10, guys. Yeah. My second favorite, my second rating for YouTuber that I watch, Jamaican, is I watch a newbie family. Ziggy, I don't know Ziggy personally, but I've shared conversation with Ziggy once on the Ajax bus. I don't remember what Ajax, why bus, why the brand bus around the Ajax go again in Canada. I don't remember, but I met Ziggy on the bus. He was going to work and I was on the bus with my best friend going to school. I met him summer 2019 on the bus, and him cool. You know, he's a YouTuber, which is not a small YouTuber them, because them kind of literally at the 50k, and them the long time their name was Future Coldest. Good. He's very cool, you know, like he respond and whatever. He was cool, you know. Yeah, him never have the hype thing about him and whatever. It was very cool. I'll give them for their, I love their videos. Like, watch them video, man, I lie. Them video cool. I'll give their videos content 9. Yeah, I'll give their content 9, and them on a whole, I'll give them together. Let's say rating them together, I'll give them an 8.5. Yeah, 8.5. I'm gonna give them. Next goes to Razorblade TV. I think him do good. Him, for say, you know, he's a Jamaican based YouTuber. Him do really good. Him do really good. Like, I like the fact that he goes out and push himself to get good quality. Him push himself to get like good quality, so people can laugh and relate to and reason with. Me not be honest, me not go tell no lie. Me give him 9.5 for him effort. Him really try and him really put out good stuff. The fourth one now, Tananya. Me like the fact that, you know, she do them type of video. Me love them all store business. So when me see kitchen go up, yeah, I made that go look on kitchen tour. When me see bedrooms, I made that go run down. But I mean that. Me love is when people play stand good, stay good, You want to watch a video? Give me one a stay good video, especially with the house and them stuff there. Me that. Me will watch to your channel bad. Yeah, I give her a channel. She has good content. I won't lie. I always try her best. I think I'll give her a 9. She always try her best. In terms of she and her all, she's a good as. Give her a 9.5 too. She's a good as. Good as, yeah. I'm there. Number 5. Number 5, I'm there. Number 6. Oh my, number 5. I don't remember. I'll give Image and Dolly. I'll give them together with their channel content wise. I'll give them 8. I was gonna say 7.5, but no. I see some videos that I like the fact that they especially they giving away content. I like that one, you know. I like that one. I liked that one, the way that they went out and, you know, give out to people who really need it. Yeah, in terms rating them, alright, in this case I'll rate them separately. Let me rate them separately, like rating them like Dolly. I'll give Dolly a pretty girl, not like nice clean girl, a nice pretty girl. I'll give her an 8.5. To be honest, solid 8.5, man. Yeah, that shit way 8.5. Image, I give Image 7. The whole part of them distract me. I'm not lie, them distract me. I watch him video. I know him, but tattoo them distract me. Nah lie yo. Them distract me bad. Especially him on here so with it. Yeah. No my type of yeah. Yep. Next no goes to the Carter family. I like the fact that Chrissy, she just real. She very real. I'm not lie. She real and like, alright, you know, start from with the content. I like the content, you know, them push out a lot of content, you know, building a channel depends on consistency and all of them stuff there, and then more with the crowd. I'll give them an 8.5 for them stuff, you know, 8.5. No, I lie, them deserve a 9. I'll give them 9. To be honest, fairity 9. Them really do them best with all of that, you know. I'll give them 9. In terms of rating them separately, I'll rate Chrissy makeup always nice, you know what, girl makeup always turn up. Man, I lie, her face she always come out. When she come out good, man, I lie, she come out. I'll give her, if you let me name myself a while ago, I said come out. Why? I'll give Chrissy for her goodness, her prettiness, girl good. Me get 9.5. Goody get 9.5. Me not lie, she come out. Carter though, CMR, me give CMR 8. I don't know, just give me 8. Sometimes I see him on different aspect, and I see him on other different aspect. Me give him 8, you know. Me give him 8. Him have looks, CMR have looks, no, I'm not lie. Him have looks, but I don't know. I give him 8. Yes. Chrissy and my girl, our makeup always, you know, girl look good. Girl always, CMR better all on funny woman. Is my girl lose her? Cause she look nice. Girl look nice. Only thing me think sometimes Chrissy must stick to her patois. Sometimes she mix the patois and the little tonguing and little corruption go on there. So yeah. So yeah, the last one now is the Hastings family. Hastings. Yeah. Want to say it right? Want me to say it right? I met Danny D, whatever them call him, once out the Harborview, or the Harborview call it so. Where you come from the airport and then you have all up a gas station, whatever, if they're Jamaica, whatever. Yeah, which part them, I think you have him phone place over there, so. Very cool person. Like when I met him, I was like, you know, I know you're Mitty husband and whatever. When I watch you guys channel, and he was like, really, you know, whatever. Cut long story short, yeah, very cool guy. In terms of them channel, I really want to try the Hastings challenge. I think with them with the beat and you make one song, I think it was cool. But they don't want to make the video with me, so rough over rough. With their channel, oh my god, them daughters so pretty. My favorite video from the Hastings family is their wedding. I watch them wedding must see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 start come for me too. One heap of time. One heap of time. I don't know if I become one married or something now. Why? I don't mind me to get the ring right now, but I don't know. You know? Yeah. Back to the video. So yeah, so guys, I rate them. You see them wedding video alone, make me give them 1.9. But 8.5. We'll stick with 8.5 for them. In terms of Mitty, we give Mitty 9. Y'all too pretty. Y'all always feel fluffy girl. She just always neat and you know she nice. And based on the fact that I give Diani 8.5. In personality nice, you know, when you meet them and you know when you meet a person when you watch over the internet, because you know over this internet thing we try to pretend, and the fact that it was the same person based on what you see on the camera and on your phone and whatever way you watch it on, you know, based on the fact that he's the same person on the big screen, you know, I give him my 8.5. So yes guys, those are the persons that I watch and how I rate them. Please don't come at me. I am just doing my thing. And yeah, so depends on the type of review I get. I'll do the my favorite international YouTubers rating stuff. So you know, I don't know what to do guys. Like up the video. Leave a comment down below relating to this video or some other video I don't want me to make. And sorry, subscribe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys. See you in our next video. If my makeup did a bad on in the entire video, go check out the concealer challenge that I did on my channel. That is how I got this look right here. Yeah man. Until next time, bye.